Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and use your sign stapler. I may even staple a sign. Okay, so what we have here is a sign stapler. It's fully assembled, ready to go. But in your package, you still need to load staples and you need to attach the hammerhead. Okay, let me first go over what we're looking here. So it's got the long handle. It's got a sign holder. It's got the heavy duty piece of metal that is holding the sign, like two channels, holding it nice and tight. It's got the safety pin that holds the hammer sticker in place. And to take it out, what you're going to do is just twist it to the side. And sometimes you can pull it out. Sometimes it's pretty tight in there. So in that case, when it's new and tight, you can take the pin out and pull it out. And very important, put the pin back in, okay, so you don't lose it. All right. In your kit, you will also get a full box of staples, okay, something like that. It's Arrow T50 half-an-inch staples, 1,250 staples, good for about 400 signs. This is where staples go. Okay, this is a staple pusher. You got to pull it all the way out, and then you load staples. Okay, you can take whole 2 lines of staples, and when you put them in, make sure they slide nice and easy, and they go all the way in. We just heard that little noise here. Okay, then just attach it. You can see the staples there, so that's good. And this is a gem-free hammer tacker. That's what the Arrow advertises, but people have gemmed these before. Okay, you could hit a nail when you're stapling it up on the pole, so it's very easy to fix it. Okay, just get a flat screwdriver, straighten those tracks out, make sure staples slide nice and easy. I mean, if you bend this portion, sometimes that happens, then it gets stuck in the position. So you just see where it's bent and bending back, and it should be ready to go again. Okay, you can fix it in the field. All right. So now you got the staples in. Now we're gonna put it in the tool. You would keep the pin inside. Okay, that's the easy way to do it. The way you don't have to fish it, and then just slide it inside, like sideways. And then, very important, this piece right here, where staples come out, has to face where the sign is, where the sign holder is. Okay, so what we'll do, go down, twist, make sure it's lined up perfectly like that. All right. Now, let's try to staple something. Okay, well, I'm indoors, so let's load the sign first. We'll take one of those signs. This is 12 by 18, but typically people use 18 by 24 or bigger size. So we'll slide it in like that. Okay. Now when you staple, okay, you don't want to come all the way close like this. Okay, you want to come and not too far. You want to be just about like right here. And then you just hit it, and then slide it out. You can do it in one motion, or you can do it like this. You hit, stuck, and then you just slide it out, and then just hit it again with another one. So done. So it's not going anywhere. Okay. 18 by 24 signs, I typically put 5 staples in if I want the signs to stay as long as possible. And I've had signs stay up for like over a year in Florida. There's a lot of wind in Florida too, so they'll stay. If I want to remove it, like just want to keep it on the weekend, then I put in 2 staples. To remove the sign, a little bonus feature here. It's got the back of the tool is angled, so you just slide it underneath, just like that, and it'll pop the sign right off. Okay, so I hope this was useful. I had fun inventing the sign stapler about 20 years ago. People's been using it ever since. It has improved slightly. I got a much more heavier holder on it, but The basic design hasn't changed. It's been working great. And I hope it works as good for you as it's done for others. And I look forward to seeing your testimonials and your stories. Good luck and happy advertising.